How to fix a blurry profile picture on WhatsApp. So if you want to fix a blurry profile picture on WhatsApp, then what you need to do is first open up your WhatsApp application, go with the upper right which has that three dots, go for settings, and then here you will have your profile picture, right? So before uploading your profile picture, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because if you don't have a stable internet connection, then your profile picture will be blurred. So what you need to do is just simply check your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. If you're using Wi-Fi, then switch to your mobile data, or you can switch to Wi-Fi if you're using your mobile data, and make sure you have stable internet connection. And once you've checked that, now you need to go with your profile picture, go with the camera option, and then go with the gallery and choose the image that you would like to add, and then tap on done, which is on the bottom right, and that's it. Your profile picture has been updated. So before uploading your profile picture, make sure that you have an internet connection, because it's all about the internet connection. And once you have a stable internet connection, you will fix that problem. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.